Hi, I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Parke Veterinary Clinic, and this is Hubert. He is a bearded dragon. Adult female bearded dragons are 12 to 20 inches long, and the males are 16 to 24 inches long. After 1 to 2 years of age, you can tell the difference between the males and females because the males will have larger femoral pores than the females. For their enclosure, the cool side should be 76 degrees Fahrenheit and the warm side should be about 86 degrees and about 90 degrees at the basking spot. The nighttime temperature should not be cooler than 75. The humidity should be between 25 and 45%. Bearded dragons are more active during the day. You should house males individually, but females of similar size may be housed together. For one bearded dragon, you can use a 55-gallon aquarium with a screen top to keep the bearded dragon and the crickets inside and to allow airflow to help keep the humidity down. An enclosure with multiple screen sides would be even better. Although they are desert animals, in captivity they may eat sand if it's used as substrate, so you may want to consider using newspaper instead. The equipment that you'll need if you're going to have a bearded dragon include a UVB light, an appliance timer so you can set 12 hours light, 12 hours dark, an under tank heater, a ceramic emitter for additional heat if needed, 2 to 3 thermometers, a humidity gauge, branches for climbing, 2 hides, one for the cool side and one for the warm side, a shallow water bowl for drinking and soaking. Bearded dragons are omnivores. Very young bearded dragons need very small food, such as pinhead crickets. The pet store might not have these, so you may have to order them online. Offer small amounts of greens. You can offer larger sized food as the lizard grows. Adult bearded dragons, so those that are 1 to 2 years old and older, can be fed crickets that are about 2/3 the size of the width of the lizard's head. Offer a wide variety of crickets, waxworms, silkworms, mealworms, and cockroaches, and appropriately sized pre-killed baby mice. About 20% of the diet should be leafy greens and vegetables and small amounts of fruit, such as dandelion greens, escarole, parsley, mustard greens, collard greens, green beans, raspberries, mangoes, and cantaloupe. Don't feed wild-caught insects because they may have parasites or they may have been exposed to pesticides. And don't feed fireflies, they're toxic to bearded dragons. Shedding will occur every few weeks to every few months. It's important to remember that all reptiles may carry salmonella, which can cause disease in humans. Very young and very old humans are most at risk, so always wash your hands after handling reptiles. New bearded dragons should be examined by a veterinarian and have an intestinal parasite exam done to check for parasites. Then they should have yearly physical exams and intestinal parasite exams after that.